Dear students, today we are going to deal about multiple pregnancy. Multiple pregnancy means when more than one fetus simultaneously develop in the uterus is called it as multiple pregnancy. Simultaneous development of 2, 3, 4 or 6 fetus also may occur. So they simultaneously connect triplets, quadruplets, quintuplets and also sextuplets. So these are the common things. So in this, common variety of multiple pregnancy is commonly seen as twin pregnancy. In twin pregnancy there are two varieties are there. Dizygotic, commonest one 80% and monozygotic, that is about 20%. So monozygotic twins, otherwise known as identical or uniovular twins. Dizygotic twins, otherwise known as fraternal or binovular twins. So in monozygotic twins, what is happening means one egg will be fusing to one sperm and there will be during the time of development that fused egg may separate and form two different babies. So in dizygotic twins, what may happen means two eggs will be fused with the two sperms in a different time or sometimes in the same ovarian cycle. So this is fraternal or binovular. So monozygotic twin, from the same fertilized egg it is dividing and forming, so there may be the characteristics and identical. Rare occasion, the possibilities of occurring this twin pregnancy are: the division takes place within 72 hours after fertilization. So it happened that may leading to the separate placenta, formation of separate placenta, chorion and amnion. This type we will call it as diamniotic dichorionic. In the division takes place between 4th and 8th day after formation of inner cell mass. So chorion has already developed. So this type of things will be known as diamniotic monochorionic twins. And if the division after 8th day of fertilization, so there is amniotic cavity already formed. So monoamniotic monochorionic twins may develop. So here this is diamniotic dichorionic twins. So there is a separate chorion and separate amnion will be there. So next one is monochorionic diamniotic. The chorionic layer will be same for both, but there is a separate amniotic cavity. So monochorionic monoamniotic, what is happening? They share chorion and amnion. Then last one is conjoined. This is a rare one. So these are the some of the varieties. Then multiple pregnancy, on extreme rare occasion there is fusion of the embryos will be occurring, that is development of embryo resulted in the conjoined twins or Siamese twins. That means the development occur after 2 weeks. Some of the varieties are Thoracophagus, Pyophagus, Craniophagus and Ischiopagus. So the conjoined twin, that is means the twins will be connected each other. So in that Omphalopagus twins means sharing the part of the GA system. Thoracophagus means a chest and involved heart will be fusing. Then Cephalophagus, back of the head and upper body will be fused. Quadi or Ischiopagus means the area will be, they will be united at the pelvic area. Then Parapagus, two head side by side will be attached. Craniophagus means joined at the head. Pyophagus means joined at the buttocks. Examination of the placenta and membrane of a dizygotic twin and monozygotic twin. If you observe the dizygotic twin, there will be two placenta, either completely separated or more commonly fused at the margin, appearing to one. And there is no anastomosis between the fetal vessels. Then if you observe the monozygotic twin, there will be single placenta, varying degree of anastomosis between two fetal vessels will be observed. Each fetus in dizygotic twin, each fetus is surrounded by a amnion and chorion. In monozygotic twin, each fetus is surrounded by separate amniotic sac with the chorionic layer will be common for both. And in dizygotic twin, intervening members consist of 4 layers, that is amnion, chorion, chorion and amnion. In monozygotic twin, intervening membrane consists of 2 layers of amnion only. So monozygotic twins, as we discussed, 1 over 1 sperm will be fusing. So same sex will be there, identical features will be there, single or double placenta will be there. Same genetic features and DNA microprobe is same. In dizygotic, 2 over 2 separate sperm, same or opposite sex may occur, fraternal resemblance will be there, double or there will be fused one, then different genetic features will be there and the DNA microprobe is different. So, next one is